Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening, and I've got something exciting for you. If you've been itching to get your hands dirty and grow some delicious veggies, you're in the right place. Now, we all know that April is the perfect time to get those seeds in the ground. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to decide what to plant, especially if you're not sure what will thrive in your climate. Well, fear not, because I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share with you 6 must-plant vegetables that will flourish no matter where you live. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our gardening tips and tricks. Alright, let's get planting. Tomatoes? Is there anything more satisfying than biting into a juicy, homegrown tomato? I don't think so. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be grown in just about any climate, as long as they have plenty of sunlight and well-draining soil. Whether you're a fan of cherry tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes, or something in between, April is the perfect time to get these beauties in the ground. Just make sure to give them some support as they grow, and you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest in no time. Next up, we've got lettuce. Now, you might think that lettuce is only meant for cooler climates, but think again. With the right care, lettuce can thrive in just about any environment, even if temperatures start to climb. April is the ideal time to sow your lettuce seeds, whether you're planting them directly in the ground or starting them indoors. Just make sure to keep the soil consistently moist and provide some shade during the hottest parts of the day, and you'll be enjoying fresh salads all summer long. Now, let's spice things up with some peppers. Whether you prefer sweet bell peppers or fiery jalapenos, April is the perfect time to get these beauties in the ground. Peppers love warm weather and plenty of sunlight, so make sure to choose a sunny spot in your garden to plant them. And don't forget to give them some space to spread out. Peppers like to have room to grow. Cucumbers. Is there anything more refreshing on a hot summer day? These crunchy veggies are a staple in any garden, and April is the perfect time to start planting them. Cucumbers thrive in warm weather and plenty of sunlight, so make sure to choose a sunny spot in your garden to plant them. And don't forget to give them something to climb on. Cucumbers love to vine and will happily sprawl out if given the chance. Next up, we've got carrots. These root veggies are not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to grow, making them perfect for gardeners of all skill levels. Carrots prefer cool weather and well-draining soil, so make sure to plant them in early spring for the best results. And don't worry if you have rocky or clay soil. Carrots are surprisingly resilient and will still thrive in less than perfect conditions. Last but certainly not least, we've got spinach. This nutrient-packed green is a favorite among health-conscious gardeners, and for good reason. Spinach loves cool weather and plenty of moisture, so make sure to keep the soil consistently moist and provide some shade during the hottest parts of the day. And the best part? You can start harvesting spinach as soon as the leaves are big enough to eat, giving you a steady supply of fresh greens all season long. Well, there you have it, folks. 6 must-plant vegetables for any climate. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to get out there and start planting. Remember, gardening is all about trial and error. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment with different varieties. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.